Hello and welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name is Bill Herr. Today I'm going to take you through this new trade that we just took in. This is a 2013 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Boat has been rack stored its entire life here in Somers Point and maintained by us as well. Being rack stored, the boat is in spectacular condition, has roughly 260 hours on the Merc Cruiser. New sea deck down on the floor there. That is all glue down. That was just done last year. Again, upholstery is in spectacular condition. The overall condition of the boat is amazing. Bathroom over here on the port side. All your gauges and everything up here at the helm. Again, this is a 2013 Sea Ray 240 Sundeck. Available here at MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. If you have any questions about this boat or you'd like to schedule a private walkthrough, you can contact us at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.